at hindi lamang yung asset ngayon ang binabantayan. Ang dapat ngayon, hindi lang asset, hindi lang SAFU. Dapat is the asset safe? Is the oracle safe? Is the bridge safe? Is the validator safe? Okay, pakitandaan po natin ito. No? Para meron tayong mnemonics, we can use BOVA. Bridge, oracle, validator, assets, or above. Asset, bridge, oracle, validator. Is the risk above safe? Asset, bridge, oracle, validator. So, alam na natin. Dahil ngayon, inayos na nila, dapat hindi na umalagwa pababa. Because at the end of the day, if this mother DeFi, Aave is the mother of all DeFi. I can put it that way. They have been there for quite some time. So the question is, can they recover? No, the answer is, well, it depends. No, is the 295 risk assessment exposure going to solve the problem? Is this going to make the community feel good? If they feel good, if they feel happy, if they feel na na-cover na yung problema ng Aave, then the market can recover.